Make a great choice today with the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.